Hello again sa mga ka-tiktokers ko.
Alam mo ba yung mga paniniwala tungkol sa skincare? Ano nga ba ang totoo at hindi? Ano ba yung tama at mali? Let's dig into that, guys. Let's uncover the skincare myths and facts with Dr. Grace Beltran. Alright?
It is good to exfoliate your skin daily. Ibig sabihin, araw-araw ka magpipil, no? Exfoliation daily is good for the skin. Definitely, hindi ito tama. Kasi bakit po hindi tama? Kasi ang skin natin, naturally, nag-exfoliate siya on its own. Every 28 days, nag-exfoliate yung ating skin on its own, no? So, kapag ka-exfoliate ka ng exfoliate mo everyday, nakakompromise yung balat mo. Kaya ginawa mo yung parati, ma-irritate yung balat mo kasi nga, pinuforce mo mag-peel kahit na hindi pa dapat mag-peel. Kaya, magiging mapula ito, dahil ma-irritate, mangangati, at saka magdadry ng sobra, at saka pwede magsugat-sugat. So, exfoliating daily is not correct. Pangalawang myth natin ay na pwede mong i-shrink yung pores mo permanently. Okay? Definitely, it's not true. Kasi yung pores natin, yung laki ng pores natin ay genetically predetermined. Ibig sabihin, namamana natin yun. Kaya kung malalaki ang pores mo from the beginning, hindi mo pwedeng i-shrink yun permanently. Pwede mong mabawasan yung pagiging malaki niya at pwedeng maging smoother looking pero hindi permanently. So, you have to maintain a certain product para magawa mo na maliliit yung pores mo parati at saka para may glow, no? Tsaka makinis yun. So, you cannot shrink the pores permanently. Ang third myth naman natin ay ang anti-aging works overnight. So, ibig sabihin, parang miraculous, no? Doktora, sa isang linggo ba, maganda rin cookies ko. Sabi ko, hindi po ako Diyos, kaya ako yung dermatologist lamang. So, natatawa sila pag sinasabi nila. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng na, pag pinahid mo ngayon, bukas magandang-maganda ka na, hindi po pwede yun. It will take some time, no? It will take some time, maybe mga 5 months, or pwedeng less, pwedeng more. Okay, so, you cannot be beautiful overnight after applying certain creams na binigay sa inyo ng dermatologist. So, it's not true. Ang fourth myth natin na pag-uusapan ay about sunscreen. So, the higher the SPF, the better, no? Hindi po laging totoo yun. Kasi ang SPF, 30 at saka ang 50, konti lang ang difference nila. Pero kung ikaw ay magbi-beach, syempre, mas maganda na higher yung SPF mo at saka oil-based. Kung magbi-beach lang. Pero for daily use, ang 30 at saka 50 almost the same lang for the face, no? Tsaka sa body, I would prefer a higher SPF. Ang importante dito sa sunscreen natin na dapat ina-apply siya regularly. Kasi if you're going outside of your house, kailangan magsa-sunscreen ka talaga para ma-protectionan ng full protection ang inyong balat against the sunlight. Ang importante is that you focus on applying the sunscreen generously and every time you expose under the sun. And also, reapplying it every 2 hours. So, you choose the sunblock also according to your skin. Merong sunblock na for oily skin, merong sunblock na for dry skin, at meron ding sunblock na for normal skin. Okay, so if you have any more questions about our topic today, just call me at my numbers. And please like, follow, and share my account.